In this video, you'll learn how to connect Confluence to Jira in just a few minutes, so you can link your documentation and project management for seamless team collaboration. First, open your browser and sign in to your Atlassian account at atlassian.com. Make sure you have both Confluence and Jira active in your workspace with admin access to manage their integrations and settings. Next, open Confluence and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select General Configuration or Site Configuration. Then look for Application Links in the left sidebar to start connecting Jira and Confluence. Now, click Create Link and enter the URL of your Jira instance. Confluence will automatically detect Jira and ask you to authenticate. Sign in with your Atlassian credentials to authorize the connection between both tools. After that, configure the link settings. Choose whether to enable two-way integration, allowing Jira issues to be embedded in Confluence pages and Confluence content to be linked from Jira issues for full collaboration. Once connected, test the integration. Open a Confluence page, type N to access the macro menu, and select Jira issue. You can now embed Jira tickets directly into your Confluence documentation effortlessly. And that's it. Confluence is now connected to Jira, and your team has a unified hub for collaboration and knowledge.